Good afternoon, class. Our subject matter is about Republic Act 9262. Republic Act 9262 is also known as Violence Against Women and Children Act of 2004. Anyone in the class who know what is Republic Act 9262? Okay, Ms. Paler.
Under Section 3 of Republic Act 9262, the Violence Against Women and Their Children, it refers to any act of a series of any. It refers to any act or a series or acts committed by any person against of his wife, former wife, or against women with a person who has or had a sexual or dating relationship.
Can give us the example of Republic Act 9262. Okay, Ms. Antuca.
The four acts committed under Section 3 of Republic Act 9262 are the following. First, physical violence. Physical violence refers to acts that include bodily or physically harm. Second, sexual violence. Sexual violence refers to act which is sexual in nature committed against woman of her child. Halimbawa po, si A, ni-rape si B. Si B, walang puwersa, walang kalaban-laban na lumaban doon kay letter A na kumbaga si letter A, intention niya naghahasain si letter B. Si letter B ay walang force, kumbaga wala siyang kalakasan na labanan ng isang si letter A, napigilan ng kanyang intention gawin sa kanya.
Question, Ms. Ontuka. Ang isang LGBT community ay pwede bang makasuhan ng Republic Act 9262 or BAUSI?
Pwedeng makasuhan ng lesbian ng Republic Act 9262 sa kadahilanan sinaktan niya ang isang babae na isang parehas ng kasarian ng kanyang kinakasama.
Can you give another example of violation of Republic Act 9262 or also known as Violence Against Women and Children? Okay, Mr. Lee.
Halimbawa po sa violation against women and the children, ma'am. Halimbawa ko po rito is si lalaki po is umuwi ng bahay nang walang pagkain. Ngayon nagalit po si lalaki sa kanyang asawa. Kaya po nakumit niya itong pananakit sa babae. Then si lalaki is gusto rin makasiping si babae. Gayon si babae naman ay pagod din siya galing sa trabaho, kaya ito'y tumanggi. Kaya nagawa niya itong saktan at maaari po siyang kasuhan ng Republic Act 9262 or Violence Against Women and Their Children.
Class, lagi natin tatandaan na ang violence against women and children ay karapatan ng isang kababaihan at kabataan na kung saan pag ito ay nilabag mo ay pwede kang makasuhan at makulong.